It's Dave from Dave and Just Travels here. It's that video of our day in Montevideo. After we left Buenos Aires, we sailed across the Rio de la Plata, arriving in Montevideo early in the morning. We wandered through the old town up to the Plaza de Armas, where we met Jorge from Curioso Free Tours. This is booked through GuruWalks. It's a free tour, but you're encouraged to tip. We certainly did at the end. Jorge was really well worth the tip. It took us through, gave us a history of the city, the revolution, what happened after the revolution, and also the way the country runs these days, the politics of the country and the general sort of, education, health, these sorts of things. It was a really, really interesting tour, and also took you to most of the landmarks in the old town. After we did that, we headed down. The tour ended in Mercado, the port market. We had a beautiful asado lunch down there, barbecue lunch, fantastic food. And then we took a walk up to the Gaucho Museum and had a look inside. It's basically housed in the National Bank of Uruguay. And it's a beautiful building, but also really, really interesting information about the gauchos and some of the clothing and some of the spurs and the jewellery and things they wear. It was amazing. Really, really enjoyed the tour. I'd recommend it to anyone, and we really loved Montevideo. It was a real surprise for us. We didn't know what to expect, but we really, really loved what we saw. We think that anybody who goes there would love it too. When we finished the tour, and once we finished the going to visit the museum, we were literally exhausted. It was a very hot day. This was summer 2026, February, and we'd seen pretty much all that we could see with the strength that we had left in our legs. So we really, really wore ourselves out, but we had a great time before heading back to the ship and catching one of the most amazing sunsets across the harbour and looking out to Montevideo, the hill. So yeah, if you love the video, please subscribe. There's at the end here I've attached the Curioso Free Tour information. Look them up. Dave out.